I'm super excited to open this with you all today. We have the next iteration of the Chongker cat in from China. We've gotten a few of these so far as they're working through their product development and adding more offers and options to their line of interactive cats. We love these, they're super cute, and I'm excited to see what is in this box because they always package very nicely. I haven't opened this yet, I just cut it so we can actually, you can tell I'm telling the truth because it's sort of hard to open. The packaging is always super cute. All right, it is unboxed, sort of. Super cute, again, love the detail on the box. Love and companion, it says. What's really cool about this is it's rechargeable, and which makes it different from, honestly, a lot of the other electronic pets on the market that we have reviewed and we do like, but it is rechargeable. And you can actually rename the cat. So the cat is called Percy. You do not have to call it Percy. You can actually set it up and change the name of the cat so the cat responds to its new name. Percy Interactive Companion Pets instruction. There's an extra H on there. Chongker comes with this, always comes with this. This is a little comb for the cat, which I think is adorable. And the cat, so cute, fairly, like a great weight. It's heavy, but not ridiculously heavy. It's super soft, and it doesn't feel like a robot. I feel like a lot of times you know, touch anything that's robotic, and it's got a really like firm center. That is not the case here. Obviously there is a place where it's a little more firm, where the battery pack and everything is, but you don't feel that when you're touching this cat. It's super soft, it's super cute. We're gonna charge it up here and then show you how it works. Okay, so the battery pack, the old one, it was in the paw. This one, it's actually underneath on the other side of the cat. So we turned it on. There's also volume buttons on this one, which is cool. So there's volume buttons here and here for up or down. And if you want to change the name of the cat, this is also where you charge the cat. Hold the two volume buttons simultaneously.
Please say new name in silent. Please say new name in silent.
Gracie.
Please say again.
Gracie.
Name successful.
Okay, so that is how you change the name of the cat. All right, so we have successfully changed the name of Percy to Gracie. You can turn up the volume when you pet the cat in different spots. It purrs, you can pet the head, you can pet the body, and it responds to its new name. So Gracie, rise and shine. Sighs. Gracie, good cat. Hi, Gracie. So it's really cool, very interactive. We love the volume features. It's pretty easy to charge. Like I mentioned, the charging port used to be in a foot. Now the charging port is back probably where you would normally think the charging port would be, which is underneath here on the cat. Also there is where the volume buttons live as well. Battery should last. The charging should last for a pretty long time, especially if you're not interacting with the cat, especially if you're not saying Gracie or whatever you decide to name your cat. Again, love the softness of it, love the size. You can see him holding it with both hands. And it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's nothing that's going to be ridiculous. Very soft. The tail is super soft, curls around the cat. The pads on the cat are soft. You can press into them a little bit, and they do to some degree actually feel like cat toes. Overall, super sweet and great for people living with cognitive impairments, or really anybody, as a companion pet, especially that you can make it your own by renaming it. So thank you to Chongker for sending this. We love the Chongker products and have them linked on our Amazon store, which is, of course, we do get a tiny bit of commission when you use that store. You can also just look up Chongker and we will link that in the video. Thanks.